So le nto kuthiwa izixhosa azifani abantu basubmithile amaphepha and then ezinye ii-peer reviewers zathi abanye abantu asosixhosa esi.
No,
So-
that is wrong because Xhosa, it's a language with other sub-languages. Then we should not say it's dialects. We should look at them as other languages, but regional context. Because if somebody is saying Indus, like Emambonu, we know to Teta Ngobis. If you Teta Ngochi, we know to Teta Ngochwa.
Yeah.
Now,
So xa ibhala ke ngoku
the biggest challenge that we have a problem with is that Tina, we have not developed a thesaurus where we deal with these synonyms. And that's how we standardize every language. We have not developed these pure thesaurus as a funekayo ukuthi apha xa uthetha ngohlobo when umuntu onempondomise esithi kusekhethu ndiyamva noba
because actually it's the same language.
kusekhethu. Now, the point yobana we need Tina to really recognize as the languages the existayo. The non-standard language, there is a standard language, but that standard language should recognize the non-standard languages. And if you're dialects, we need to get out of it. Secondly, there's an issue that we have to get rid of ideology that was given by the colonialists, imperialists, and apartheid. Of looking at the dissimilarities, even if they are 10% and 90%.
And sometimes it's like maybe 1%.
Exactly.
But the focus is like 1%.
Focus on 1% because we have been given that theoretical element to say you must be distinguishing yourself to the other because of 1% out of 99%. You see, because if umuntu wempondo uthi ayi bayisithi yehla apha ngalendlela athi gqithika ufika phaa ezantsi uyibone le nto ofuna iyafana noqithike emotweni uyehla athi gqithika.
Yeah, it makes sense because even like English, ukho amagama amaninzi athetha into
A1.
Ufike mhlawumbe thina be South Africa khomagama athile English esiwasebenzisa kakhulu overseas mhlawumbe England basebenzisa elinye igama for the same thing abalipreferishayo but nathi siyazi ba
neka amagama amaninzi English umzekelo i-highway ne-freeway into enye. But abanye bazothetha nge-highway, abanye bathethe nge-freeway. Now, masiya umzekelo where there's a problem esingayi-understand yothina South Africans in English. Umuntu xa ethetha nge-first floor e-America, uthetha with about a different floor eBritain. I-first floor yase-American ne-first floor yase-Britain are two distinguished levels. Now, in Rupati, what we call West Coast. What do they call it? West Coast in English, in UK. Then they've got a word for it in America. Different word.
That's in America.
I just forgot. But they've got a different word. A different word for it. So there are a lot of those differences, even when they spell America. That's how they will color without you.
Yeah, we need these resources.
You see? So, thina masijike ingqondo yethu ubana siyakwazi ukuthi lo muntu uthi ekhethu uthi kokwethu yinto yinye leyo. Ukuthi uyibiza kanjani
ayifani nesindebele nakuloo ndawo. Bona because le nto uyithethayo ngoku it's making me think le nto kuthiwa mhlambi sithetha zonke izingoli languages fanele zibe one standard language.
Yes, in writing singayenza loo nto leyo, but abantu baqhubeke bathethe bapractice i-ethnic grouping yabo. The question efuneka sizibuzile, siyayifuna naloo nto siyi-South Africa. You see, siyayifuna naloo nto siyi-South Africa. Uba uya umzekelo in isisuthu salibungu, 12 dialects. But when you go to the constitution, but you can dialect one. Okay, in non-standard, the standard language is one, which is Sepedi, which is a problem. Because now, Kilobedu wants to come into the space. Sipulana wants to come into the space. Tlangwini and other dialects as called Nalapaya. Want to say, let's be recognized also. Instead of us to say, let's work with Sesotho Saloboa. Even there, we need to be taken to another level to say, Sesotho Saloboa, which is Setswana and Sesotho. What is the difference? Really? There's no difference on that. Now, instead of looking at those languages as if they're different languages, just say you have one way of writing. Whether Uyalebuha or Uyalebuha, that's not good. Whether when you spell Kwisisuthu or L with a D or stuff like that, you see, these are not our inventions. They're invented by the colonialists for their own purpose. How do we then get people to come together to unite for the betterment of society? We can use language at a written form. That everyone, whether you have written Lesotho, whether you have written Tswana, whether you have written Sesotho Saloboa and Shilozi and Chinjanya and Chichewa, but if you have one written system, what does it give you? It gives you somebody in Tanzania, somebody in Malawi, somebody in Zambia. Because Planteta for even still people by Havana in these countries, Botswana and all that. You see, that's the same thing. Amaxhosa that left Eastern Cape in 1820 went to Zimbabwe. Akathetha isiXhosa njengamaXhosa se-Eastern Cape. But still it's just isiXhosa.
They kept that old Xhosa.
Exactly. It's just isiXhosa. So the fact that abantu bohlukene because lo uthi lujiki, lo uthi ujiki notywala is the same thing. What we need is to form a thesaurus, is to form synonyms and group them as African languages, especially in Nguni languages and Sotho languages, and then decide to say, let's cut all the other issues, form one Nguni language, write it into that system, where the Umzulu will keep your ethnic group, your ethnic thinking, your ethnic way of doing things is fine. But when we write in the same way. Then how many people will be speaking those languages in South Africa? More than 60%.